Hello, this is Awais Malik and you are watching English with Awais Malik. Today we are going to words learning and other important topic that is relevant to tenses. We already have a videos on different tenses. So in this video we are going to learn about present perfect tense. We already discussed the introduction of word tense, what tense is. So in this video we just deal with the single tense and that tense is present perfect tense. This is a very important tense while we using it for the purpose of sentence making. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So we start from the definition of this tense. Present perfect tense is used to describe an action. This tense is used to describe an action. Like another tenses, it is also used to describe a certain action because we know that verb which are relevant with the tenses because they are dealing with the time when certain actions are take place. So this is used to describe an action and that sort of action, action that has taken place in the past. This word is very important, past. Present perfect tense is basically is a present tense, but it has a connection with past, but has a connection with the present. So this is the definition or simplest definition of this tense. Present perfect tense is this is basically a tense which is used to describe an action, which is used to describe an action. And what sort of action? That should be the part of present and also linked with the past as well. So further we have a few uses of present perfect tense. If we understand the definition of this tense is used to describe action that should be part of present and the past time as well. So here we have the uses of this tense, uses of present perfect tense. In uses of present perfect tense, first we have how long. This is use of this tense whenever you are linked with the times and the times how long that time is. So you can use it as present perfect tense to make a certain types of sentence. Let's have an example. We see that I have known Kareem since 1994. So here the word since 1904, this is the date, this is the time which should indicate that how long you are connected with Kareem, how long you are connected with Kareem. So in the next example, we see that she has lived in London for 3 years. So here also see that for 3 years. This is the connection between a girl who lives in London and for 3 years. So this is indicate that how long the time and the time span that she has spent in this place and that place is London. So here we have a few key words which help you to understand and make the sentence of present perfect tense. So let's see the few key words. First we have since, for, etc. So if you use and you see and understand the use of since and for, you will be able to indicate, you will be able to make a sentence which should be the part of present perfect tense. So next we have another use of present perfect tense, that is unfinished time words. Whenever you are linking a words, that should be not linked with the time that should be unfinished. So unfinished time words. Let's see in example. I have not seen her this month. I have not seen her this month. So this month, this is linked with the unfinished time. This means that time should not be defined. Time should not be defined form. So you can use that this month. So here we have a keywords like this week, today, this month, etc. this year as well. Let's have another use of present perfect tense, that is present result. Whenever you are concerned about the present taking place action and present result, which should be the part of your writing, should be the part of your speaking, so you use it present perfect tense. Let's see in example. I have my keys. I have my keys. So this shows that a present result, that I have my pen. So this shows that this is the things that should be happen at a part of present result. Let's see the another use of present perfect tense, that is news and recent events. Parts of the speaking form of sentence which you should use also for writing as well. So news and recent event that link with the present perfect tense. Let's have an example. The queen has given a speech. This news shows that some place somewhere that there is a queen who wants to deliver her speech. So this shows that there is a news in it. The queen has given a speech. Here also have a few keywords like just, yet, already. So these are the uses which help you to use present perfect tense for the purpose of writing, for the purpose of speaking. So after getting through the uses of present perfect tense, we are going to work to understand the structure. How can we use a specific structure to make a present perfect tense? So here we mention on the whiteboard in front of you, we have there the types of sentence, and on the other side we have a structure and formula for making this type of sentence. So we start from the positive or affirmative sentences. So just have the formula of this sentence. First we have subject. After subject we have a helping verb, and the helping verb we use, that is has and have. Whenever subject is singular we use has, and when the subject is going toward plural we use have as a helping verb from present perfect tense. So after has and have we use the third form of verb. We use V3, third form of the verb, and end with object. So let's give an example. He has completed the mission. He has completed the mission. So has is a helping verb, completed is the third form of complete, and the mission is the object. So this shows and easily understand that how this tense is easy to understand and make and use for the purpose of making sentence. After moving towards the negative type of sentences, in negative type of sentences we additionally add one thing. The thing we add, first we have subject, after subject we have helping verb, and after the helping verb we use not, and after that we have same like in positive sentence verb and third form of the verb and end with object. So let's have an example. He has not. There is a difference between these two types of sentences made by not. He has not completed the mission. He has not. Not make is negative. Not make is negative type of sentence. So next we have interrogative type of sentences. And what is interrogative? Interrogative mean a question type of sentences. Whenever we use a question types of sentences, so we use present perfect as so for this purpose. The things that we perform in the formula and structure of this interrogative sentences, we put helping verb before the subject. After helping verb we use subject, and after that we use third form of the verb and end with object. Additionally we add one thing in interrogative sentence, that is question mark. That is question mark. Let's see an example. Has he completed the mission? Has he completed the mission? So has come before the subject. Come before subject. After that we have verb completed the mission. The mission, and end with a interrogative question mark. End with question mark. So this is about the structure of present perfect tense. If you have to difficulty to face the things like subject, whenever you have a singular subject, singular means that your subject is in singular form, so you use has. If your subject is moved toward plural form, you use the helping verb have. Here our subject is singular, we use has. If we use here we as a plural and a plural pronoun, so we have used it there have. So this is about the structure of present perfect tense. I hope so. You will get a better understanding and better idea about this tense, present perfect tense, and you will get a value from this tense. If you get a value from this lesson, so you may have to share it with your friends, your colleagues, and your fellows as well. Thank you so much.